Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the Manchester area. I am in Plowden. So enjoy the ride in Plowden. Yeah man, so if you're just stopping by the channel, just kindly subscribe and hit the like button and press the all icon, so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified. So if you want to know sweet Jamaica, tune into the channel, share the channel, like the channel, everything what you can do. So yeah man, so with our Plowden here now, take a journey down on the hill. So enjoy the ride with Fire Reid. So at them time and them always keep car race down them side here. Sweet Manchester, so if you know say they are Plowden, you know say about half an hour drive to Manchester can be less also. All depends on how you drive. Nice and cool and easy ride going down to the Alligator Pond, not straight to Alligator Pond, but this is the road we use to go to Alligator Pond. Yeah man, go have with steam fish same way. So welcome to Engine Town community. Yeah man, Engine Town community, you know. Person forget them place here on YouTube, so your Fire Reid are showing us some rural area in Jamaica, same way countryside. Yeah, everywhere Fire Reid are showing up. Nice can done with Jamaica with people. No matter where we go in this world, yeah man, we still a Jamaican. Yeah man, you can also is a farming area, a lot of cucumbers. Yeah, you know say cucumber good for high blood pressure, or some cucumber with some water and lime or lemon. And you can see the health benefit if you have high blood pressure or anything. Yeah man, so if you blend up on a cucumber juice with paper, see them corner here where Fire Reid are ground. Yeah man, I'm a tour guide, you know, just drive safe on the road. Always remember to wear the seat belts. man, as you can see the corner them, so now have to be careful. Yeah man, them corner come like U and S. Yeah, if you can hold the steering good too. Look at the view, my people. Can stop right at this corner right here and view right over into Port Kaiser. Very, very nice view of this place. Yeah man, son, if you remember on the horn. Yes, the people, this me I tell you about now, if you be careful on the road, you see it. Yeah man, use up on the horn and know say yeah we are come. Man, you see the breeze I blow the tree them. You can see I have heavy wind today. Some heavy wind. Yes, some people, as you can see, if you make a left turn, will take you to Alligator, upon a right turn will take you out to New Forest and also to Gutters. So I'm gonna make a left turn going towards to Alligator Pond. Yeah man, I sure don't forget to Alligator Pond from them side, you know. know a lot of tourists go them side, they go eat them fish and nice scenery at the beach, same way. So Alligator pan where I go to there with people. Remember if you use up a horn. Yeah man, make them know say we are come to clear the road. So on your left and your right, a lot of scallion. Don't know if it's the red root or the white root, but I can smell a spice there. Very, very nice flavor, man. Can see we have some bumpy right there now, so we have to be careful of the pothole them. It's our cars that cause us, that cause a new tire. Which you know, we don't want to buy no new tire right now, so we take the time and go through the pothole of the people. And also your front end, because you know front end for any car right now very expensive, so we have to take our time and drive through them area. Man, so me hear one truck behind me I come, so you don't know Fire Reid always love to pull off Fire Road and make them go on, you know, because you don't know just a true Jamaican vibes. Take me a little time and go through. Make me people them so I go on. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nice can done. Love me island, you know. So I'll be always giving you an update. Always give you an update on the different parishes them. As you know, we are the Manchester and St. Elizabeth at the moment. Some of the time I have to go back over some areas and give some updates same way. So you know, see some of the videos them are 2 times, but from different angles, you know. Yes, my people. See, we are welcome to Alligator Pond. If you make straight ahead, look at Ochi. Yeah, man, if you make a right turn, could take you right back to Junction, them side there. Yeah man, so I'm taking around and look at what you said first, then I'm taking the back around as well side, you know. Yes, my people. You see place kind of full up here now, so you don't know, can't go carry over that side there now because the place kind of full up. Yes, my people. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Like it's a very busy day today. The Alligator Pond. Busy day today with people. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. One love and one heart, upward, onward. Each one help one. Yeah man, so we are do it.